Good afternoon, sir. My name is Derek from LIU Media. I would like to get feedback from you.
Absolutely. Yeah, I was just speaking with UG Bamilele, Ugo Bamilele of Excel FM at the, who's just standing by me. He attended the master class from start to finish, not me that just came today. And he said to me, this is the first time I've enjoyed any master class. And it's something that I think I take away. I came just for the closing ceremonies, and I'm so impressed and I'm so happy. I feel that I took some impact away from here. So if Ugo, who has been there all the while, tells me he enjoyed it, then so it's true that my enjoyment coming at the last minute, it wasn't just a flash in the pan, it was something very good. And I think that this is the kind of thing that Akwa Ibom needs to have. In fact, Ugo and I were just saying that this is what Akwa Ibom needs more. This is what we need to hear. This is what government needs to hear. This is what people need to go on talking, just with a view to making sure that we can continue to raise the bar.